So I was told yesterday that there was a new update with the Mini 3 Pro. So I just want to check that if that's correct. So we go into About, we go in for check firmware aircraft. Yeah, it's going on there. Checking for new version. Okay, so there's a new firmware update, so we just press that. So there it is. So we got for the Pro and for the RC. Okay, so it's fixed some issues. So we just press that. Doesn't take long, he says. Right, so it's just, I just noticed that the drone's been turned off now. It's installing the update, which is good. So we're just waiting for the final part. Going into the app. So what I'll do, I'll just turn on the drone. Always do it best to do a quick check to see how things are. So here we go. Unable to take off. I just want to check that storage again. Okay. Right. Okay. That's good. I'll just go over to, just to make sure everything is up to date. So we just check the update. I think it's always best to do that. Okay, that's all done. Everything else I don't need to worry about. So that's that done. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to go out and test fly this drone, which is a Mini 3 Pro, make sure everything's fine. And also, I'll be flying my new one, which is my Mini 4 Pro. So I've come out, I've got my Mini 3 Pro already primed, it's ready to take off. It's already said it's done its home point. So let's just see what's, anything's changed. I'll just do a quick one up on the screen there. Let's go into safety. So the brake's on, good. Altitude, okay. Now somebody was talking about the altitude that they've been changing it, but I can assure you if I do that, obviously it's just agreeing to that, but I'm going to drop mine back down to the set rate anyway. I'm not too fussed about going up height. Distance, yeah, that's all done. Return to home, 150, that's good. Don't need to calibrate. Control, yeah, Imperial, that's more follow me mode, that's good. Camera, MP4, yeah, normal. Yeah, everything's looking good. So, should we just get a drone off the ground and see how the drone handles? Take off. Okay. So, let's just send it over that way. And then we'll send it up. Okay, we're just sending that up. Now that pylon you can see there is just a pylon. There's no cables on it at all. So I'm just going to bring it around. We'll just drop that gimbal down a bit. Okay, so you can see where the car is now. Now, what I did notice yesterday when I was flying the Mini 4 Pro is it's actually got a home point. A little H comes up on the screen, which I thought was amazing. And when you press return to home, you get like a green pathway. Now, I will show you that when you watch one of my Mini 4 Pro videos. I mean, that's a good feature. I thought maybe with the update they might have put that in, but obviously not. So I'm just going to fly it around a bit. I think what it was, they had a couple of bugs that just needed to be straightened out, because it seems to be flying well. I'll put on the video. I always forget to do that. So I'm just going to fly over to the other part of the mine, because sometimes I do get a bit of interference problem just over there. So I'm just flying it over that direction. Now also, you probably noticed I haven't got the strap on, because I put the strap on my new RC 2, and I'm trying to find the little hooks to put on the strap, which I can't find at the moment. I got a horrible feeling I threw them away, which means I've got to go and buy some more little hooks for my strap, because I do find the strap quite useful. But I'm not going to say it doesn't cause a problem flying the drone, to be honest. It's a nice light controller, the RC. I do love flying it. But like I mentioned before, this drone's going to become my demonstration drone. And as soon as I know that Litchi and Mavin will be able to use it, then we'll be trying that out. So I'm just flying it back towards me. Everything's looking fine. Nothing wrong with the picture. Just flying it back towards me. You can see all the height there. It's all looking good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to stop it here. I'm going to press return to home. See if anything's changed on that.
Return to home.
Other than it returns to home. Okay, so it hasn't got the new thing that you got on the Mini 4 Pro. So you're going to have to watch that video, and you know what I'm on about. What I'm going to do, just before the drone lands, I'll cancel the land, and we'll just do a couple of, what I'll do, I think it's a good test, I'll do the master shot test, and I think that's a good way of trying out everything, you know, the circle, all the other things that come with it.
Landing.
And we go into master shots. Okay. I always keep up these diagrams. I think it's a good reminder of what it does. So I'm just going to draw a little box around me. So it's saying it's going to be about an estimated time of 2 minutes. I'm happy with that. I'm at a good height. There's no obstacles. So I'm going to start that. I'm going to stick my hand up. I'm just going to knock out the thing at the bottom there. Put that in there. Okay, just put that there a minute. Let's just move that up there a minute. Talking to myself, haven't I? Okay, so you can see what's changed already then. They've done like a little flight path thing, if you can see that. So that, I presume that's what has changed. I've never noticed that before. And it's telling you about the pitch and things like that. Okay, that's to do with the map. Okay, maybe not. Just messing about on the screen. Now, I think it's Nobby Clark, or Nobby Green, or Nobby, because he was the guy that actually put up, there was an update. I didn't know there was an update for the Mini 3 Pro. So it's always best, guys, to have loads of drone YouTube channels, because not all of them will give you the really up-to-date information, but I know Nobby does. I put Nobby, if you don't know what I'm on about, just above my head. Yeah, he was telling us what was going on. And just to also remind you, with the master shots, it's already video in it, and you can see down in the middle there, It's doing the camera down in a circle. So it's all looking good. It's coming back down now. It's coming in. Could have come back to the same position. I think everything's fine, which is the main thing. Master shot's complete, so that's good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring the drone in. So my dog's gone over to greet everybody. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. So as far as I can see, the update is haven't really done anything to the controller or the drone, other than obviously some people probably having some problems. But as far as I can see, safe to fly. And yeah, I'll catch you in another drone video. Especially now we've got my Mini 4 Pro. As always, enjoy flying.